So today is my first day in Phuket, first day in Thailand as well. I did a little bit of a beachy, simple makeup and got into the pool, chilled, then slept. Now I'm going out for dinner somewhere close by. So I'm going to keep it casual and easy because we're still all very tired. So this is a quick look I'm going to do for dinner. I'm going to use my Ashwagandha Bounce cream. This is the mini version that is very easy to carry during travel. I'm very relaxed. I slept. There's no sound other than the sound of the sea, which is beautiful and calming. I don't think I'm going to put concealer also. I'm going to just keep it really easy and simple. Cream blushes are a lifesaver. I'm going to go right in with it. Again, in this angle. It's quite hot here, which is why I'm not layering up. And like I said, I don't want to work that hard for holidays. Should be nice and fun, and I'm really hungry. I'm always hungry on vacation. Just set my eyebrows. I just mattify the top of my eyes. Just use any powder. I think I'll go in with a brown eyeshadow. Just keep it simple. Start on the crease. The light is quite bad, but I hope you can see. Just blend it in, keeping the center empty. Just a little bit, a little on the lower lash line. I always keep one shimmery shade for my upper lid. This is the way I just contour my eyes and go out. So one shimmery shade like this, always keep in your kit. Put a little kohl. Because it's evening, so I'm going to define my eyes a little more. And complete the eye makeup. I'm going to just put a little mascara. The light is tough, but we'll manage. I'll do dark lips today. So, of course, the nude lip liner. Then a darker lip liner. Now, this is a very dark lipstick called Media by MAC. Not everybody likes it, but I love it, and I've not used it in a very long time. On holidays, I tend to experiment with all my lipsticks because I want to keep the rest of the makeup light and easy to go. I like it. Studio Fix. Everybody's all ready to go out, and you can hear them upstairs. And definitely some highlighter. Put up my hair. These earrings are from Zara. You'll see I buy a lot of my jewelry from Zara because they're very stylish and I think they're really cool. They're neutral. They can be worn with Indian and Western clothes. So this is my quick makeup to go out for dinner tonight. They're so noisy. So this is my quick look to go out for dinner tonight. It's quite humid, so no layers. I just set the look.